Hey guys, in this video we're going to unbox the WhiteStone Dome Glass for OnePlus 9 Pro. Now in this box here you are getting 2 screen protector with 2 camera protector. So let's open up the box and see what you are supposed to get inside this box. Okay, so in here you can see we have 3 liquid adhesive gel. Now you do not need to use 3 of them. 2 of the liquid adhesive gel, 1 for each screen protector. And this third one is used as a backup. So in case you mess it up, you can always clean it off and use the backup liquid adhesive gel. And then you got the bridge. This will help you to put the liquid adhesive gel in to release the gel later on onto your screen. Okay, then we got this package here. In here, these are the cleaning tools. So we got alcohol rub, you got dust absorber or dust remover, and then you got this absorber pad that you place on the side when you are installing your screen protector. There are 4 pads in here. And then you also get microfiber cleaning cloth. This one will wipe off any wet alcohol wipe and any liquid or dust. So you got another 2-pack here of alcohol rub. Okay, then there's this tab which helps you to install the screen protector. Inside this pack here is a camera screen protector. So let's zoom in so you can see the quality of this camera screen protector. Now there are 2 packs in here. Okay, so we have this pack right here. I'm going to zoom back out, and I'm just gonna put it back into the pack right here. So there are 2 packs for that. And then there is this QR thingy. Now we have all these seals. This is masking tape that will help you cover up the holes, the headphones and the buttons on the side when you are installing the screen protector. This is the installation tray. So we're going to place the phone inside this installation tray to help the phone stay steady. And then underneath this tray are the screen protector. So this is 1, and then there is 2 in here. So 2 screen or 2 tempered glass. Now with this tempered glass there is a little bit of curve on the edge right here. It is extremely smooth, very smooth. So there are 2 packs in this box. Now I really like dome glass. In the past I have used dome glass for my iPhone 12 Pro. It is super smooth. They are very sensitive, so whenever you touch on it, it's actually respond very well to your finger. Sorry, I've just got to zoom out this one. And I also have used it for my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. And they are very good. It works very well with Touch ID. So you can see here on my phone, it works very well with Touch ID. And this is very smooth as well. It's very easy when you're typing because it is nice and smooth and responsive to your fingerprint. Now on the box here it says it has high transparency, no color edges, no dot matrix, uses DAP technology, and had high surface hardness to prevent scratches, does not affect touch screen sensitivity, full cover without lifting, and blue light cut. Now I can confirm these features are fairly accurate because I have used them extensively on my Galaxy S21 Ultra and iPhone, and I never actually gets any colors, blue colors on the edge of the phone. You can see here on my Galaxy S21 Ultra, I also have kind of like an edge on the side here. It works very well. I don't get any funny colors off the screen, and actually it's also quite strong. It doesn't get scratched easily. So you can see here on my phone, I'm just trying to get it with a good light reflections. You can see the dome glass that I'm using here. It doesn't have any scratch on it. It's really good. And yeah, so that is everything inside the box for your WhiteStone Dome Glass OnePlus 9 Pro. So if you want the best screen protector, then this is something that you can consider getting. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. There's also this box here. It is a UV light. It helps you to cure the adhesive later on. So if I take it out, you can see there is a USB cable. It does not come with a charging adapter or a USB power plug, but it has a cable that you can use. And it is a dome glass UV light. It is preset with 15 seconds and 60 seconds. So if you press on it, it has 15 seconds. So if you press on it once, it will turn on for 15 seconds. And if you press on it twice, it will turn on for 60 seconds.